Namaskar, friends. A very good morning. So, the topic of today is what is the difference between impairment, handicap, and disability. आपने ये टर्म्स अक्सर सुनी होंगी एंड ये टर्म्स को इंटरचेंजेबली यूज भी किया होगा. सो दिस इज हाउ वी यूज दिस टर्म्स. कभी कुछ यूज कर देते हैं, कभी कुछ यूज करते हैं. But there is a difference among them. So, let us understand what is the difference. So friends, as per ICIDH, as you can see on the screen, which is International Classification of Impairment, Disability and Handicap, जो कि WHO ने बताया था 1980 में, impairment as per ICIDH is any loss or abnormality of physiological or anatomical structure or function generally taken to be at organic level. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो इम्पेयरमेंट है वो ऑर्गेनिक लेवल पे होती है. जैसे कि डैमेज टू रेटिना अगर है या ऑप्टिक नर्व है तो ये कौन सी इम्पेयरमेंट कहलाएगी? ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी कॉल्ड विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट बिकॉज इट इज एट अ ऑर्गन लेवल. डिसेबिलिटी क्या है? डिसेबिलिटी ऑन द अदर हैंड इज has been defined as any restriction or lack of ability resulting from an impairment to perform an activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for a human being, generally taken to be at the level of the individual. तो अभी हमने कहा कि अगर किसी इंसान में ऑप्टिक नर्व में डैमेज है या रेटिना में डैमेज है तो वो इम्पेयरमेंट कहलाएगी. पर उसकी वजह से वो ही इज नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म टास्क जिनमें कि उसको आईसाइट की जरूरत है. तो ये क्या हो गई? डिसेबिलिटी. दैट मीन्स इम्पेयरमेंट विल लीड टू डिसेबिलिटी. ओके, सो डिसेबिलिटी इज एट द फंक्शनल लेवल. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैंडीकैप. Now, as per ICIDH, handicap is a disadvantage for an individual resulting from an impairment or disability that limits or prevents fulfillment of a role that is normal, depending on his age, sex, and social cultural factor for that individual. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि handicap is a social function. ओके, सो अभी हमने क्या बताया कि जिसका रेटिना में डैमेज है ही इज impaired and because of that he is not able to do the task, so he is disabled as far as those tasks are concerned which involve eyesight. Can he be called handicapped? Yes, obviously he is handicapped because he is unable to see. But if we give him braille, okay, and he is able to read braille, then is he a handicap? No, then he is not a handicap. Okay, so because he is able to read now. So these are the differences between impairment, disability and handicap. Now let us understand through this table. Impairment is concerned with abnormality of body structure, organ, appearance and system functioning. So it represents at a organ or tissue level. Okay, and disability is limitation and loss of functional performance in activities. So it is a disturbance at personal level. The person is not able to do the function. Handicap is disadvantage resulting from the impairment and disability. So it is situation specific limitation. एक सिचुएशन में एक इंडिविजुअल हैंडीकैप हो सकता है, दूसरे सिचुएशन में इंसान हैंडीकैप नहीं होगा. जैसे कि मैं आपको एग्जांपल देके बताती हूँ. मान लीजिए एक बच्चा है, ही सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ बर्न, उसकी फोर आर्म में बर्न हो गया और वो बर्न को निगलेक्ट कर दिया, वो इतना डीप हो गया कि वो क्या हो गया, वहाँ पे इम्पेयरमेंट हो गई, टिश्यू जो था वो पे डैमेज हो गया. तो व्हेन विल ही बी कॉल्ड हैविंग डिसेबिलिटी? ऑब्वियसली जब वो उस फोर आर्म से काम नहीं कर पाएगा. सो ही विल बी डिसेबल्ड as far as cutting vegetable, washing hands and buttering is concerned. Okay, So he will suffer disability because of this burn, which is an impairment. And when will he be called handicapped? Obviously, he will be called handicapped if both hands are required to do the task. अब एक काम हाथ से तो वो काम नहीं कर पा रहा, ठीक है, वो एक हाथ वाले काम तो कर पाएगा, पर जब कुछ ऐसे काम हैं जो कि दोनों हाथों से करने पड़ेंगे, जैसे कौन कौन से काम है? ऑब्वियसली आप टाइप कर रहे हो या ड्रेसिंग कर रहे हो या ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो, ये काम में आपको दोनों हाथ चाहिए, राइट? साइकिलिंग कर रहे हो, तो तब वो हैंडीकैप हो जाएगा, ही विल बी कॉल्ड हैंडीकैप. So it is situation specific, but he will not be handicapped when doing a task which require only one hand. जो कि मैंने अभी पहले बताया, जैसे ईटिंग हो गई, एक हाथ से खा सकता है, ब्रशिंग एक हाथ से कर सकता है, राइट एक हाथ से कर सकता है, तो उस सिचुएशन में वो हैंडीकैप नहीं कहलाएगा. सो इट इज सिचुएशन स्पेसिफिक. अब और हम लेते हैं, अब मान लीजिए एक पर्सन है, वो व्हील चेयर में है, तो ये क्या हुई, कौन सी डिसेबिलिटी हुई? Obviously, a person in a disability will have a physical disability. So, because of the impairment in his leg, he's got this disability of moving from one place to another. So, when will he be called handicapped? You know, he's in a wheelchair. He can go from one place to another. Okay, so he's performing his function. So he will be handicapped only when he needs to go to the second floor and there is no ramp or lift in the building. So then he will be called handicapped in that situation. Okay? Or agar the lift is available, then he's not a handicap. So it's all situation specific. Okay? Let's take another example. Supposing a lady met with an accident and he's broke her legs. So she became disabled because both the legs are not functioning and she is not able to walk from one place to another. But then she got herself amputated and then she is able to walk with the crutches. So she is able to walk and she is not handicapped. Is there any situation when will she be called handicapped? Can you think of that? So friends, what about if this lady has to work in a village and you know village everything is done on the floor, सब कुछ नीचे होता है, फार्मिंग में भी बैठना पड़ता है, कुकिंग भी नीचे होती है, कपड़े भी नीचे बैठ के धोए जाते हैं, तो in that situation this lady will be handicapped. But the same lady, if she's brought to the urban area where everything is on a platform, you can walk, you know, while standing. So there she will not face handicap. She will not be called handicapped. So this is how it is situation specific, environment specific. Okay? So these are the basic differences. Okay? Let's take another example. A person with visual impairment obviously will have visual disability, and because of which he will not be able to play also. Okay? But, you know, play what? Depending upon what game you want him to play. Supposing if it's a catching ball game, you know, throw and catch game. So this person will be handicapped, obviously, if he's asked to play. He will not be able to play because he can't see the ball. But he will not be handicapped if, you know, we put bells, घुंघरू डाल दिए हमने बॉल में, and he can, you know, find out where the ball is coming from and he can catch the ball. तो हमने उसकी जो बैरियर को दूर कर दिया, so he will not be handicapped in that situation. So friends, I think you have understood that you know there is a difference and there is a specific difference in these terms. So friends, I hope these three terms are clear to you. So, what is the conclusion? All disabled people are impaired and all handicapped people are disabled. But a person can be impaired and not necessarily be disabled. And a person can be disabled without being handicapped, as we have seen in the examples we have discussed. So, thank you. That's all for the day.